from zero to income using DeepSeek AI for online revenue generation. Hey there, future online earners. Are you ready to turn your dreams of making money online into a reality? Look, I get it. Everyone wants to crack the code to financial freedom, but it can feel impossible with all the noise out there. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your existing online business, I've got something truly exciting to share with you today. In this video, I'm going to break down how to go from zero to income using the power of DeepSeek AI. It's not magic, but it's pretty darn close. Trust me, this is going to change the game for you. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with step 1, finding your niche. Now, what exactly is a niche? It's simply the specific area you want to focus on, the sweet spot where your passions and profit potential intersect. Think health, fitness, tech, personal finance, or even making money online, like we're doing right now. The beauty of DeepSeek AI is that it can literally help you pinpoint profitable niches in minutes. Imagine having a research assistant working around the clock to uncover the hottest trends and opportunities. Just type in a question like, what are the top niches for making money online in your country language? And watch as DeepSeek generates a curated list of ideas tailored for you. DeepSeek doesn't just stop at suggesting niches. It provides valuable insights like audience size, competition levels, and potential revenue streams within each niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your success. Spend some time with DeepSeek, explore different niches, and find the one that truly resonates with you. When you're passionate about what you're doing, the money will follow. Okay, you've found your niche. Now it's time to create killer content that attracts an audience and converts them into loyal fans. You might be thinking, content creation, that sounds time consuming and difficult. But hold on, because this is where DeepSeek AI truly shines. Gone are the days of staring at a blank screen, struggling to come up with engaging content. DeepSeek AI is your secret weapon for generating high quality content in minutes, not hours. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions, or even email newsletters, DeepSeek has got you covered. Let me give you an example. Let's say you need a captivating 30-second YouTube short script about making money online with DeepSeek. Just ask DeepSeek, write a 30-second YouTube script about using DeepSeek AI for online income. And boom, check out what it came up with for me. In the world of online business, success starts with the right tools. With DeepSeek AI, you can automate your workflow, save time, and focus on what really matters, growing your income. See, it's that easy. Chapter 3, Driving Traffic with DeepSeek's Strategic Insights. Content alone isn't enough. We need traffic, valuable eyeballs ready to convert into followers and customers. DeepSeek AI excels at driving traffic. Think of DeepSeek as your personal marketing strategist. It helps you implement traffic driving strategies across platforms. DeepSeek generates a detailed plan tailored to your niche. Let DeepSeek AI be your traffic driving powerhouse. Chapter 4, Promote, Earn, and Scale with DeepSeek AI. Create awesome content and build traffic. Turn efforts into cash. DeepSeek AI finds the best affiliate programs. Earn passive income through affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. DeepSeek does the heavy lifting. Curate profitable affiliate programs. Get insights into each program. Focus on residual income. Look for recurring payments. Automate with DeepSeek. Streamline the entire process. Chapter 5, Automate, Scale, and Achieve Financial Freedom with DeepSeek. Automate and scale your business with DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek handles repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on growth. Imagine a virtual assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes. That's the power of DeepSeek's automation. Achieve financial freedom with DeepSeek. Start your journey to online income today with DeepSeek AI. By now, you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I get started? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In the description below, I've included a link to DeepSeek and a free guide that walks you through the exact steps I took to go from zero to over $1 million in commissions. Plus, I'll share the affiliate programs I recommend for beginners. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, grab your free guide, and start your journey to financial freedom today. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies to help you succeed online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.